everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I'm here to share my Sterling Ink subscription. I'm super excited to get my February subscription and I'm going to use it in my new bullet journal setup. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. I'm so glad to have received this and I want to do an unboxing. So this is such a beautiful kit. I saw some sneaks. So pretty, and apparently, is it Catherine? I believe that's her name. She hand painted all the designs for this kit. So I am so excited. I will definitely be using this in my journal. The sticker. Let's go ahead and do this unboxing. So I have to say, I am enjoying the kits already for 2024. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to put this to the side and we're going to go ahead and open up the little envelope first. These are the little goodies that we get each month. They come into an envelope. So we get a beautiful die cut. Let's see. Set this on here so you can see it better. So you get that die cut. You get tabs for February. And it's nice because she has some with decorations, some without. Here's some vellum stickers. And I do get the vellum. You can get this kit in matte or vellum. So I like the way the vellum looks. And that cute February, that is super cute. You get a little calendar and then her business card. There we go. Oh, let me show that. And then I like how you can use that in a journal or in a planner. And let's go ahead and get to the stickers. Sorry, we just got 2 puppies. So if you hear the crate going, that's why, or the little playpen. They're in their playpen right now. So, yeah. So, all right. So here are some beautiful vellums. So flowers and a butterflies. And let me see if you can see it better here. I do enjoy these stickers. I don't, she does have a $50 kit, but I am very satisfied with her $37 kit because you still get a lot. And I think this is the first time we've gotten 2 sticker sets with like a scene. So I really like that she did that this month. So cute. One is like a darker background and one is a white background. So that is a nice addition. Here are some like corners. These are so nice in journals. And some more decorative stickers. Hold on one second. Okay, so you also get, so these, I believe it's like a 3x4 size, and then you get a 4x6 sticker sheet. This is really pretty. And then 2 of the same sticker sheets. I feel like, okay, so it feels like she replaced these 2 or one of these sticker sheets because we usually get more like edger type stickers, but I really like these 2. These are really pretty. And I like how she adds little accents too because they're easy to add around the page. And then it does look like we get this every month. So we will have the month stickers every month, the days of the week, the numbers, small numbers, big numbers, and then the smaller days of the week. So that's nice. And I know she does cater to her planners, so, but I don't have her planner and I just use it in my bullet journal or in my journal. I'm going to use it in my bullet journal. I don't know why it feels like there's less, but there probably isn't. We'll have to see. And then for this month, here's the vellum date stickers for February. Days of the week. The Gorgeous Vellum Monthly, which is in B6 size. And I have to say, that's probably one of my favorite vellums for this month, or for her collections. It's so pretty. I like the detail she has in this kit. So B6. And then it looks like the vellum is pretty much the same, but this one has like a grid to it. One is with the grid, and one is without. I have to say, I do like when the vellums are different, but this is really pretty, so I would definitely use this. So that's it. That's everything. I don't know why it feels like there's less. There's probably not. I think because of this added detail right here. These two sticker sheets, maybe that's why we don't have as many decorative, but we'll see how it goes. I really like this kit anyway. It's beautiful. You still get a lot. Oh, and actually that, yeah, that's, seems like, I can't remember if we've gotten one of these before, or if usually she cuts it down in there in twos. But anyway, I like it. It is a beautiful kit, and I think she just released, or she's gonna release the extras. So if you like this kit, then go run and grab the extras. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, blessed day. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.